Hello everyone. As we all know, cell is the basic unit of life. Depending upon the complexity of the cell, cells are of two types, prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. In this video, we will talk about prokaryotic cell. So let's begin. Prokaryotes are very primitive and includes earliest life form like bacteria and archaea. They are microscopic, that means they are very small in size. They are found everywhere from air to soil to water to hot sulfur springs. They come in many shapes. The spherical ones are called coccus, the rod-shaped ones are called bacillus, and the spirally coiled ones are called spirillum. Most of the bacteria are heterotrophic. That means they cannot make their own food. But some, like cyanobacteria, are autotrophic. That means they can make their own food. Prokaryotic cell is very simple in structure. It is unicellular, made up of one cell, and the most important feature of the prokaryotic cell is that it lacks nucleus and it lacks all the membrane-bound organelle. So what exactly is present in the prokaryotic cell? Let's talk about it. A typical prokaryotic cell consists of cell wall, capsule, cell membrane, cytoplasm, DNA, ribosomes, and additional structure include flagella, pili, and plasmid. Cell membrane is the covering of prokaryotic cell that keeps all the contents of the cell inside. It is semi-permeable in nature. That means it allows only certain materials to enter or exit the cell. Besides giving shape and protection, it also helps in transport of materials across the cell. Outside the cell membrane is present rigid cell wall, which is made up of peptidoglycan. Its main function is to provide shape, protection, and also strengthens the cell. Some prokaryotic cells have additional covering outside the cell wall, which is known as capsule. It helps in attachment and retaining moisture. Inside the cell membrane is present gel-like material, which is known as cytoplasm. It holds all the structure and also allows movement of those structures inside the cell. One of the most important structure present in the cytoplasm of prokaryotic cell is DNA. It is just one single molecule which is circular in shape, double-stranded, and is present in an area. That area is known as nucleoid. You can see this is the DNA molecule and is present in the nucleoid region, which extends from here to here. DNA contains all the genetic information. Remember, there is no nucleus. Another important structure present in the cytoplasm of prokaryotic cell is ribosomes. They look like dots and they are 70s in their size and they help in protein synthesis. Some prokaryotic cells are able to move with the help of tail-like structure called flagellum. So flagellum basically helps in movement. Additionally, some prokaryotic cells have hair-like structures known as pili, and they help in exchange of genetic information between two bacteria. Likewise, some bacteria might have additional segment of DNA, and that additional segment of DNA is known as plasmid, and it contains specific genes like gene for antibiotic resistance. That was all about the basic information of prokaryotic cell. Now, can you label this prokaryotic cell on your own? Try. Check your answers from this labeled image. And that was all about the prokaryotic cell. Hope that video was helpful. Till next time, happy learning.